Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing a moisturizer which is amazing for acne prone skin, oily skin and मेरी भी ना skin बहुत ज़्यादा oily है, acne prone है and बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive है and for the longest time ना मैं moisturizer से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर भागती थी because I just felt like moisturizers give me acne and मेरे छोटे छोटे bumps हो जाते थे face में whenever I used to use a heavy moisturizer. But finally I have come across a moisturizer that worked really well on my skin and मुझे ना बहुत ही randomly किसी ने ऐसे recommend किया था. I was looking for a good moisturizer and I was like okay, let's just try it. And I started using this moisturizer with zero expectations because इस moisturizer के बारे में ना बहुत सारे लोग नहीं जानते हैं. Plus Nykaa पे भी इसके बहुत अच्छे reviews थे नहीं, so I was very confused. But this moisturizer has worked like magic on my skin. मेरी skin की texture इतनी ज़्यादा improve हुई है. The acne has become really less. जितने भी marks थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा fade हो गए हैं. And I was really surprised. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly get into reviewing this product. Okay, so the cream that I was talking about is this one. It's by the Moms Co. It's the Moms Co Natural Green Tea Face Cream with aloe vera and niacinamide. Also, this cream is free of any kind of harmful chemicals, paraben free, silicone free and SLS free. So, इसके जितने भी ingredients है वो काफी ज़्यादा clean है. So very randomly I found this product. मैं ऐसे ही एक store पे गई थी and the salesperson asked me if I have oily skin, if I have acne prone skin and I was like yes. And she recommended me this cream and मैंने actually इसे YouTube पे search किया था and YouTube पे ना जितने भी reviews आ रहे थे, all of those reviews were sponsored या ऐसे paid reviews थे, तो फिर I couldn't trust any review. So I was very confused, but I was like, let's give it a shot. And by the way, this review is completely non-sponsored. I got this with my own money and I've been using it since the past 4 months. And मुझे इतने अच्छे results मिले skin पे, so I was like, let's review this product, let's make a video because a lot of you have been asking me which is the best cream for oily and acne-prone skin. And that's how I landed up on this product. And the very first thing that we'll talk about is the packaging. Okay, so let's talk about the packaging of this product. I actually do not like the packaging of this product at all. The very first time I got this product, this had come in a box and when I box खोला, I saw the packaging and I was so disappointed. I did not feel like using this cream because of the packaging, but eventually of course I did. But बहुत ही ऐसा flimsy सा plastic box है जिसपे ऐसा लग रहा है बस ऐसे sticker चिपका दिया है and it just doesn't feel like a luxurious packaging. Of course, price बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है कि मैं premium packaging expect करूँ, but इतना low भी नहीं है कि मैं ऐसा packaging expect करूँ. I just felt like एक tube में दे देते, पर ये box तो बिल्कुल भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. It came with a lid and lid के साथ तो बिल्कुल भी easy नहीं था to work with this product. So I actually got rid of the lid. And this is how I use it. मैं actually इसमें use करती नहीं हूँ. I have transferred this product into this box right here. This is the tub by Neutrogena and मैं बहुत जल्दी ये cream भी review करूँगी. But this packaging is bomb. I love the bottle. Like I'm gonna reuse it so many times because it's so great. Of course price में बहुत ज़्यादा difference है, तो मैं ऐसा packaging तो नहीं expect कर रही थी. But फिर भी this packaging is just not up to the mark and I was not very happy with it. Okay, so now let's talk about the review of this product. So of course I love the cream. मुझे ना ऐसा moisturizer चाहिए था जो skin पे बहुत ज़्यादा light हो, but at the same time ये skin को बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करे because at one point ना मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा फटने लग गई थी and I wanted a moisturizer which like really moisturizes my skin well, but at the same time is not very heavy on my skin because अगर बहुत heavy होता है मेरे pores clog हो जाते हैं and बहुत जल्दी मुझे acne निकलने लग जाते हैं, especially from this area. So I was very skeptical because I had started using Neutrogena first and Neutrogena के साथ मुझे यही problem था that the cream was really nice but मेरे जो ऐसे फटी हुई skin थी and जो बहुत ज़्यादा dry skin थी उसको heal नहीं कर पा रहा था ये cream and that's why I was looking for another one and this cream actually solved the problem. मेरी skin पे ना इतने अच्छे से absorb होता है ये and बहुत अच्छे से moisturize कर देता है that I just have to use it like once a day. मुझे रात को भी use नहीं करना पड़ता है. Just in the morning I apply like a really nice amount of this product. I'll just show you and I massage it on my skin really well and बहुत अच्छे से seep in हो जाता है. My skin starts instantly looking really plump, really healthy and बहुत बहुत ही अच्छा सा ग्लो देता है स्किन को एंड विद इन आई थिंक 10-15 मिनट्स वो शाइन वो ग्लो भी चला जाता है एंड यू नो इट जस्ट सिट्स लाइक एनी मैट क्रीम, बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली या स्टिकी 15-20 मिनट्स तक नहीं रहता है. So that's something I love about this cream. Also acne, see I'm not sure because I actually I have like a acne routine which I'll share. I use a lot of products for my acne, so I don't know if this one is working or the other one is working or things are working together. But मेरी acne बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गई है face पे. Also if you see my scars have lightened a lot. I've just used a little bit of concealer but बहुत light हो गए हैं scars and मुझे वो acne के ना जो बीच बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा acne निकलता है वो वैसा नहीं हो रहा है. जो usually कोई भी नया प्रोडक्ट यूज करती हूँ तो मेरी स्किन इतनी सेंसिटिव है कि बहुत सारे एक्ने निकल जाते हैं. दैट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट हैपनिंग विद दिस क्रीम. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द वे इट इज परफॉर्मिंग एंड इसमें नाइसिनामाइड है एंड एलोवेरा है. नाइसिनामाइड इज माई स्किन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई थिंक कोई भी लड़की जिसका भी लड़की लड़का कोई भी जिसके एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है एंड बहुत ऑयली स्किन है, नाइसिनामाइड इज देयर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. So I think niacinamide works really well on my skin and that's why I think this cream is also working. And aloe vera is obviously very good for sensitive skin. So इसके जो ingredients है that are really nice and I just love this cream. I feel like it's totally worth it if you have acne prone skin, if you have skin that is a little oily and at the same time is dry, you know, like combination skin है. On days it's dry, on days it's oily and you don't know which cream to use, definitely go for this one. Also, I quickly wanted to mention the smell because Nykaa pe when I was reading there was just this one comment where this lady had rated this product really low because she hated the smell and that's when I realized that मैंने कभी इतना ध्यान ही नहीं दिया smell पे, but when I actually smelled it I realized कि यार इसका थोड़ा सा जो स्मेल है ना इट्स नॉट वेरी नाइस, इट्स नॉट वेरी प्लीजिंग. थोड़ा सा केमिकल टाइप का स्मेल है, जो आप बालों पे डाई लगाते हो सकता है वैसा स्मेल हो. बट मैंने कभी रियलाइज नहीं किया बिकॉज आई थिंक द मिनट आई अप्लाई इट इन लाइक 5 to 10 minutes द स्मेल एक्चुअली गोज अवे एंड इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट really bothered me. So yeah, I'm quite okay with the smell. I won't say that I like it, but if you are someone who's not very bothered about the smell but you're bothered about the results, then you should definitely go with this product. Okay guys, so this was it for the review. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and to get notified every time that I upload a new video, please hit the bell icon.